Welcome to another episode. We're here at Myall Lakes and we're at, I think it's like Narani campground. This is our first campground. There's a lot apparently around the whole lake, so that's what we're gonna try and achieve in the next couple of days or weeks or whatever, however long it takes. We're gonna look at getting the tinny off and take the boys on a tinny mission in our tent, so we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned for that. Could be fun. But yeah, we'll show you how this goes. So this campground is the most northern camp on the lake and is probably our favourite out of all of the national park. There's a heap of camps all around the lake, most of them on the water's edge. They are $17 a night, and that's including 2 adults and 2 infants. I think it's a bit more for children. All camps had drop toilets and most of them had boat ramps. We spent 3 nights here and we spent most of our days swimming and teaching Lennox how to swim and just really taking it all in. Welcome to Elenia's Lakeside barber haircuts. First up is Nick.
Yes.
And Lennox, who is waiting patiently.
Lennox,
digging holes.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Well, come to mummy. Wait your seat on your chair.
One? Number 1?
Yeah.
Can you sit on your chair and wait, please? Yes, please.
No.
Or I'll charge you.
Touch you.
I'll charge you.
Ow! Mum's rough on the old helmet, isn't she?
Yeah.
Do you like mummy's shop? Yay! That looks so good. What do you reckon, Lennox?
He's out of there. He wants to get out of there.
It's a good shop actually. I'm a mum of all trades. Where are we going to next, big fella?
Violet Hill Campsite National Park campsite. And right, got Tinny in.
Drop toilets over here. There's garbage bins out here, and this road does sort of a loop. And on this side are the camping areas, and then down here is the boat ramp. We ended up stopping in at Bulladila to top up with water, empty the cassette, and let Lennox stretch his legs at the park before moving on to the next campground.
Where are we now?
Cawsman's Landing.
Cawsman's Landing.
Yep.
With 2 super cranky kids.
This is where we started our first ever overnight tinny mission, featuring a tent, a boat, and a couple of cranky kids. But more on that in next week's episode.
So this is the Bomber Point ferry. It operates between 8 AM and 6 PM. And it leaves every half an hour, so we're just waiting our turn. We've been here for 20 minutes, but it's not a bad spot to wait. We're not in any rush. It is around $6.50 for a car, and same for a caravan. And it cuts a bit of time off your trip if you're coming from the north to the south, trying to get to Mungo Brush and all those campsites, which is where we're headed. So we're going to wait till the ferry starts up, get over, and then head over to the campsites. Swimming.
Swim, Lennox. Go. Good job. You're 5 months old today.
Woohoo!
And swimming. Where are we, big fella?
Oh, we're at Bennett's Beach. We're going to go for a beach drive. Okay? Just letting the tyres down. Soft day. Alright, that's it for this episode of the Myall Lakes. Not a bad spot at all. We've really enjoyed our time here. But what do we got going on next week?
So we take the boys on a tinny mission and we sleep it over in a tent, which was good fun. So make sure you watch us next week.
Too easy, guys. We'll leave you here. See you later.
Ready, set, go, big fella.